This is a lecture series on applications of integrals. And today we are discussing about area between plane curves. Integration has so many applications, and one of the major applications of it is finding areas between curves. Suppose f and g are continuous functions on a closed interval AB, and suppose that f of x greater than or equal to g of x for all x in closed interval AB. That means the graph of f lies above the graph of g in this interval. Then the area of the region between the graphs of f and g and the vertical lines x is equal to a and x is equal to b is a is equal to integral a to b f of x minus g of x dx. Suppose f is a function defined on the closed interval AB and g is another function in the same interval with the condition that f of x greater than or equal to g of x. Then the area between these two graphs lies between x is equal to a and x is equal to b is given by integral a to b f of x minus g of x dx. So if in the above case g of x is equal to 0, then f of x greater than or equal to 0, and the integral a to b f of x dx gives the area between the graphs of f of x and the x-axis in the given interval. Similarly, if f of x is equal to 0, then g of x less than or equal to 0, then a is equal to minus integral a to b g of x dx gives the area between the curve g of x and the x-axis. So if f of x greater than or equal to 0, then integral a to b f of x dx gives the area between f of x and the x-axis. And if g of x less than or equal to 0, then the negative of the integral gives the area between the curve and the x-axis. Now we can have more examples of finding areas between plane curves. Find the area of the region between the graphs of y is equal to x square plus 2 and y is equal to x minus 1 and the vertical lines x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. So here we have to find the area between the curves y equal to x square plus 2 and y equal to x minus 1. And y is equal to x minus 1 is the line when x is equal to 0, y equal to minus 1, and when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So the line passes through these 2 points. Now we need to find the area between the points -1 to 2. So we need to find this area. We need to find this area. Since x square plus 2 greater than or equal to x minus 1 on the interval closed interval -1 to 2, we can take this as f of x and this as g of x. Now the area A is equal to integral a to b f of x minus g of x dx is equal to integral -1 to 2. It is given that the region lies between x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 2. So x square plus 2 f of x minus x minus 1 dx. So integral -1 to 2 x square minus x plus 3 dx. And the integral of this function is x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus 3x. And the limit varies from -1 to 2. So we have 8 by 3 minus 2 plus 6 minus 1 by 3 minus of -1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus of -1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 again minus of -3 is equal to plus 3. And the answer is 21 by 2. Now we can have another example. Find the area of the region bounded by the graphs of y is equal to 2 minus x square and y is equal to minus x. So we have to find the area between these two graphs. Now we can draw the graphs. So y is equal to 2 minus x square is the parabola with the vertex 0, 2, and y is equal to minus x is the line passing through origin, and when x is equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, and when y equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. So we need to find this area. Now we have to find the points of intersection of these two curves. So we need to find this point and this point. So we are going to equate the two functions, and we have 2 minus x square is equal to minus x, or x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is, we can factorize it into x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 and 2. So this here x varies from -1 to 2. Now we can find the area between these two curves. A is equal to integral -1 to 2. Here the function which lies above is 2 minus x square. Therefore f of x is equal to 2 minus x square and g of x is equal to minus x. So we have 2 minus x square minus of minus x, that is plus x dx. That is 2x minus x cube by 3 plus x square by 2. Substituting values minus 1 to 2, we have 4 minus 8 by 3 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus again minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to 27 by 6. Another example is find the area between the curves y is equal to x cube plus 1 and y is equal to x minus 1 between the curve x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. And here we know that from minus 1 to 1, x cube plus 1 lies entirely above x minus 1. So we can take f of x is equal to x cube plus 1 and g of x is equal to x minus 1. So area A is equal to integral a to b f of x minus g of x dx is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 x cube plus 1 minus x minus 1 dx, or that is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 x cube minus x plus 2 dx. That the integral is x raised to 4 by 4 minus x square by 2 plus 2x from minus 1 to 1. That is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 4. Thank you.